So to make this carrot chin chin, I have my carrots here, which I'm going to clean and blend. I'll scrape off the skin, then cut it and blend it into puree. And we have blended the carrot into puree. I have 1.5 cup of carrot puree here. So we'll now start making our carrot chin chin. I have here 10 cups of all-purpose flour, and into it I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon baking powder. I'll mix together. I've washed my hand, so I'm using my hand because the flour is much and I don't want to stress much. I'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we'll add margarine. I'm going to be adding this margarine. I'm trying to make sure I put everything. I'll now mix together. I'm not mixing it. I'll be adding the carrots. I will also be adding 2 eggs to it. Also be adding this milk, Hollandia. I'm using Hollandia Eva. I'll need to add it some water to get it together. So I'll use the same cup I used for milk and add water little by little. The carrots, I already used 1/2 cup of water to blend it, so that also counts. And I used 1/2 cup of water. The color of the dough is beautiful. The carrot color. So we're done kneading it together. So I'll just allow it to rest about 5 minutes while I also rest before we start cutting it. Okay, see you after 5 minutes. I'll be kneading it batch by batch. Let me just sprinkle little flour on the surface. By the time you put them in the oil, they will separate as long as they cut. Hmm? It's not going to be difficult to separate in the oil. So we're done cutting the chinchin or the dough. So it's time to fry it. I told you the moment it enters soil, they separate. I told you that. See how they are separated. You keep frying until this foaming has reduced, because this one is not going to be brown in color because of the carrot color it has, so it's going to be light orange color. It's time to bring out our chinchin. And here we have our carrot chinchin. This chinchin tasted so delicious, and I'll be making it again and again. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please, if you did, help me give the video a thumbs up. Click on that like button. Even if you did not like the video, please help me click on the like button. Thank you for that. And also share the video to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.